Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 3 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 13 Surface Areas and Volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 13.1, question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispherical hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. Okay. Now this is a capsule. This portion is cylindrical and these two ends are hemispherical. Okay. As shown in the figure, radius of hemisphere is equal to 5 upon 2 millimeter. Radius of cylinder is equal to 5 upon 2 millimeters. Height of cylindrical part is equal to 9 mm. So this is total is equal to 14 mm. This is 5 upon 2, this is 5 upon 2, so that is equal to 2.5, so is equal to 5, 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9 millimeters. Okay. Now surface area of capsule is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder. This is a cylindrical part, curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, 2 ends, therefore 2. Now is equal to 2 pi r into h plus 2 into bracket 2 pi r square. So is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5 upon 2 into 9 plus 2 into bracket 2 into 27, 22 upon 7 into 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 2. So in this case 22 upon 7 into 45. So I simplify this plus 2 into bracket 11 into 5 into 5 upon 7. This is equal to 990 upon 7 plus 550 upon 7. Add this, denominator is 7, so is equal to 1540 upon 7, and you simplify this, you will get 220 millimeter square. Okay, so therefore surface area of capsule is equal to 220 millimeter square. Okay. Question number 7. A tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meters, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent and also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Okay, so this example is important for larger mark. Now always try to draw simple figure so that you will get measurements, and it is very easy to solve question. It helps you in solving the question. Okay. Now this is my figure. So this part is a cylindrical, above part is conical. So diameter of cylindrical part is equal to 4 meter, and therefore radius is equal to 2 meters. Height h is equal to height h of cylindrical part is equal to 21.1 meter. Slant height of conical part is equal to 2.8 meters. Okay. The surface area of canvas used for making obtained is equal to curve surface area of cone plus curve surface area of cylinder. Okay, is equal to pi RL plus 2 pi R into H is equal to 22 upon 7 into 2 into 2.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 into 2.1. If you simplify this, you will get 22 into 2 into 0.4 plus 2 into 22 into 2 into 0.3, and then simplify 17.6 plus 26.4, so is equal to 44 meters square. So the area of canvas is equal to 44 meters square. Okay, and then find the cost of canvas using rate. Now cost of canvas is equal to rate into area of canvas is equal to 500 into 44 is equal to rupees 22,000. Okay. Question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest cm square. Okay. So in this case, draw this figure. This part is what cut off from the solid cylinder. Okay. So therefore total surface area is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, base area, and the curved surface area of this. So this curved surface area of cone that you subtract from this. Okay. So diameter of solid cylinder is equal to 1.4 centimeter, and therefore radius is equal to 1.4 upon 2 centimeter. Height is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Radius of conical cavity is equal to 1.4 upon 2 centimeter, and height is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Okay. Now the total surface area of remaining solid is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus area of circular base. Okay. So curved surface area of cone means this, and curved surface area of cylinder and surface area of base. So for cone, first you to find the curved surface area of cone, you should know L, and therefore first you find L. So for cone, L is equal to under root r square plus h square is equal to under root 1.4 upon 2 square plus 2.4 square. If you simplify this, you will get 0 under root 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. So this is equal to under root 0.49 plus 5.76 is equal to under root 6.25, and therefore L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And now the total surface area of the remaining solid is equal to 2 pi RL plus 2 pi RH into pi R square. So pi R you take common into bracket L plus 2H plus R. Okay. So 22 upon 7 into 14 1.4 upon 2 into bracket 2.5 plus 2 into 22.4 plus 1.4 upon 2. Simplify 22 upon 7 into 0.7 and into bracket 2.5 plus 4.8 plus 0.7 is equal to 22 into 0.1. This and this is divisible. 0.1 into 8 and is equal to 17.6 is approximately means nearest it is 18 centimeters square, and therefore total surface area of the remaining solid is equal to 18 cm square. Okay. Question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Okay. So I will explain you answer in next lecture. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.